In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the 0x80070522 and unexpected errors keeping you from creating the file. If you continue to receive the error, you can use the error code to search to help the problem, and you get this little error code that says required privilege is not held by the client. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. So pretty straightforward, and we're going to jump into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. I'm going to type in run. Best match to come back to run. You want to just left click on that one time. And in the open field, you want to type in secpol.msc. So again, secpol.msc, no spaces, and then left click on OK. Okay, so now that we're in here, we're going to go ahead and expand the local policies. So either double click on the folder or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand that. Again, you want to do the one on the left side. And then you want to go down to security options and just left click on that folder one time, just so you can see the options on the right side here. And now you want to go ahead and navigate to the section on the right that says user account control. Run all administrators in admin approval mode. Double click on that. Now you want to just select disabled here. Left click on apply and OK. Keep in mind this will work for Windows 10 Professional as well as Windows 7 and Windows 8 editions. Windows 10 Home Edition unfortunately has some issues with the local security policy, like you might not actually be able to see it. But again, this should work for most of the people, so that's what we're going with for this tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.